Fitness Online.
Hi, I'm Steve Robinson, and welcome to a new eFit online treadmill workout program. The purpose of this routine is to combine a cardiovascular workout on your treadmill with some simple resistance training exercises that will stimulate your metabolism and help you burn calories quicker. Your 30-minute treadmill workout will be broken into 5-minute intervals with resistance training exercise in between. Now, depending on your fitness level, you may choose to walk, jog, or run during your workout. But as always, keep an eye on your heart rate to ensure you're exercising in the right training zone. As an important safety feature, please make sure you've attached your magnetic safety key to prevent any potential injury in case of an unexpected fall. And don't forget to carry a full water bottle to keep you hydrated. Alright, let's get started. Safety key in. Start your treadmill while standing on the side rails. We'll start off with a warm-up for the first 5 minutes at a steady but brisk walking pace. This will be between 4 to 6 km per hour at the lowest elevation level. See you in 5 for our first exercise. Lie down on your back with your arms down at your sides for stability. Bend your knees to a 90-degree angle with your feet off the floor. By deliberately contracting your abdominal muscles and gently exhaling, slowly lift your hips off the floor as if you were trying to bring your knees towards your head. Make sure your head and back stay flat on the floor to avoid any undue stress on the neck. At the top of the movement, hold this position briefly and squeeze your abdominal muscles before slowly lowering your hips to the starting position. Breathing in on the way down. Just make sure your knees don't move past your hips when returning to the starting position during each repetition. Continue for 15 to 20 repetitions or 1 minute before returning back to your treadmill workout. Feel the burn. Come on, let's get back onto the treadmill and start our second 5-minute interval. We want to up our intensity slightly, so if you want to break into a light jog, increase the speed to between 8 and 10 km per hour, depending on your stride or fitness level. If you're content to stay walking, up the speed to a quick but challenging walking pace. You can also add a couple of degrees of elevation to help get that heart rate up. Great work. We'll see you in 5 to hit the bench for some dumbbell incline press. Our second exercise today targets the chest, shoulder and tricep muscles. Holding your dumbbells in each hand, start with a bench positioned at a 45-degree angle. Lie back on your bench, making sure your back and head are supported throughout the set. Your feet should be slightly wider than hip width apart. Start with the dumbbells at a 90-degree angle at your elbow, palms facing away from your body at chest level. Slowly extend both arms up above your chest, gently exhaling until both dumbbells touch each other, keeping a slight bend in the elbow. Remember to pause and squeeze the muscles at the top of the movement before slowly lowering back to the starting position, keeping your elbows out. Don't forget to breathe in on the way down. Continue for 15 to 20 repetitions or 1 minute. Great technique. Now it's time to get down to business and work outside that comfort zone. I want you to check on that heart rate during this interval and work at a pace that is challenging but can be maintained for the next 5 minutes. If you don't know what your heart rate is, use the EKG grip pulse sensors on your treadmill or a wireless chest strap transmitter if your treadmill is compatible. Alternatively, check out the Elite Fitness website or contact your nearest store to find out more information on our selection of wireless heart rate monitors. Use your elevation or incline function at a steeper level than your last interval. I'll be back in 5 for our next core exercise, the prone hold. The prone hold is a great exercise for working all the major core muscle groups. Lying on your stomach on an exercise mat or floor with your elbows close to your sides and directly under your shoulders, deliberately contract your core and abdominal muscles and slowly lift your torso off the floor. Depending on your fitness level, you can do this on your knees or up on your toes. Avoid any arching in your lower back or bending at your knees. Continue to hold for 1 minute before lowering yourself to the ground. If you need to, you can do 2 30-second intervals with a small rest in between. Awesome effort, only 10 minutes to go, so let's break into a solid 5-minute run. In an effort to keep our heart rate and metabolism elevated, include some fast run to jog intervals, or increase the elevation to a steep hill climb. Catch you in 5 for our last exercise of the workout, calf raises. Calf raises can be done with just your own body weight with one or both legs. Starting with your feet hip width apart, gently exhale as you slowly lift your heels off the floor until you are fully extended on your toes. Pause for a short time and squeeze the muscles before slowly lowering your heels back to the starting point, breathing in on the way down. As a variation, you can do this balancing on one leg with the use of a dumbbell as shown. Repeat for 12 to 15 repetitions, all 1 minute. Enjoy the rest of your workout. I look forward to seeing you again soon.